Hi everyone, it's Jessica Cloud with Real Deal Fundraising, and I thought for today's Tuesday's tip that I would do a quick video to show you how I work with Microsoft Excel to help me with my trip planning. I just prefer to work in Microsoft Excel. It gives me a more visual representation of the donors I'm working with. And it has some nice features that help me to categorize my work as I'm trying to get my visits scheduled and make sure that I reach out to everyone that I can. When I pull my donor list from Raiser's Edge, I like to pull usually the entire state or a several county area, so that I'm going to pick up all those little cities that my donors might live in that are near whatever metropolitan area I'm traveling to. So that means I do go back and kind of do a second layer look at it using Google Maps, seeing how far away it is from my hotel. So in this example spreadsheet that I have here, you can see I've got a lot of different cities, fake cities that I've renamed. So this may be the Metro Center, might be Seattle, and the city 30 minutes away might be Tacoma or Bellingham. So we would work through this. You would not rename the cities, of course, but you would begin to color code them is what I would do. And Excel has some really cool filters that will help you do that. So Metro Center, of course, you're definitely going to visit the folks that live in the metropolitan area proper that you're visiting. There you're definitely going to attempt to visit them. So I'm going to color those yellow because you're going to try to get a visit with them. Then the folks that are 30 minutes away from your hotel, you're going to want to visit them as well, or attempt to. This person's almost 20 minutes away. So here's this 20-minute folks. And the people that are 2 hours away or 4 hours away, you're probably not going to attempt, at least not on the first run. So I would either leave those people blank or color code them. I would color code them like some other color, usually a shade of red, because red or orange, because that's going to mean, to me, red means stop. So I'm not going to call these folks. And then maybe I discover that my president really doesn't want me calling donor 7 because of some reason, and they need more time or something like that. So I'm going to color code them red as well. And I want my list to stay categorized by lifetime giving over here so that I can prioritize the folks that are further up the list. But I still want to kind of remove the red coded folks. And so if you've never used the filters in Excel before, it like changed the way that I used Excel to know that this was available there. So to turn the filters on, I have them on. I'm going to turn them off. You go up here to the sort and filter and select filter. And then these drop down boxes appear. So you can use this filter with any of the fields. So it really wouldn't matter because we're going to sort by filter by color. So here's filter by color, and you would select your yellow, and you're going to get just your yellows there. So that way, if you need to remove this filter by going here and selecting clear filters, you're going to see that again. So I'll show you that one more time. You can go here to filter by color and select just that. And then if you need it back, you just clear the filter. The other thing that I like to do is make notes for myself on the sheet while I'm working. So I might discover that this email address for donor 1, I'm going to color code it red as well. Actually, I'm going to color code it a brighter color of red because I will need to change that in the database. So I might say remove email. And then maybe I found an email for this person, and I'm going to click add email, but I'm going to color code it red so that when I'm done calling through my whole list and I've done all my research that I'm doing, I'm going to filter by that red color, and that's going to give me the people I need to go in and demographic update in Raiser's Edge. So then I can very easily, again, clear that filter, and then I'm good to go. So I would do the same thing for phone numbers or anything else that I needed to change with the donor. If a donor was deceased, I'd add a note for deceased and then sort based on that. and make all my demographic updates. So this is a good way to keep organized and prioritize your donor list as you're calling through it and working to put your trip together. And I just thought if you didn't know that trick with the sort and filter here, that you would appreciate knowing how to filter by color. There we go. All right, I hope you found this helpful and that you will subscribe to Real Deal Fundraising. And we are offering an ebook right now about call center motivation, and we'll soon be publishing an ebook on caller recruitment with a caller training guide on the heels of that. So sign up today to stay connected, and I hope that you enjoyed this tip. Bye-bye.